Hello PSU alumni, Larry and I are excited to be talking to you from the beautiful Plymouth State campus.
As we continue to celebrate Plymouth State's 150th anniversary, the Alumni Board is offering a special chance to make your mark on our beautiful campus with the 150th anniversary brick campaign.
We are launching a limited opportunity where anyone in the Plymouth State family can purchase an engraved brick on University Way, right in front of the iconic Rounds Hall.
This is your chance to show your love for Plymouth and create a meaningful reminder of your affection for Plymouth State.
These commemorative engraved bricks provide an excellent opportunity to leave your mark on campus, honor your parents or children, memorialize a loved one, or pay tribute to someone who has made a difference in your life.
You even get the option to have your own mini brick replica if you like.
Please visit www.plymouth.edu/bricks for more information or to place your order today.
We look forward to unveiling the new pathway during Homecoming 2022. Make sure to place your order soon, since the 150th anniversary project will only happen once.
Thank you for your continued support of Plymouth State students.
Thank you, and go State!